Ever wonder why some Facebook Reels explode with views, while others barely get noticed? It's not luck. It's not the camera. It's professional editing plus trending audio plus visual hacks. Today, I'll show you exactly how to edit your Reels like a pro, so your videos go viral in minutes. Hey creators, welcome back to PReyoPhonie, where we turn ordinary content into algorithm-friendly viral gold. I've tested hundreds of Reels, and after analyzing top-performing videos, trending audio, plus clean voice, plus effects, plus text, plus stickers, plus auto captions, maximum retention and shares. And today, I'll give you the full step-by-step professional method. Step-by-step professional editing. Step 1. Open Facebook app and profile. Open your Facebook app. Tap the three-dot menu. Then tap your profile name. Scroll down and tap Reels. Select the reel you want to edit professionally. Step 2. Add trending audio. Tap Audio. Then select Trending. Why? Trending audio boosts algorithmic reach, increases view probability by 90%. Note: remaining 10% depends on title, thumbnail, and video quality. Step 3. Reduce noise. Tap Noise Reducer. This removes background noise, extra voices, ambient distractions, leaving only your clean voice, perfectly audible for viewers. Step 4. Add text and titles. Tap Text. Here you can add eye-catching thumbnail text. Add one-line titles like, OMG till the end, what just happened? This is shocking, you won't believe it. Why it works. Viewers read the line, curiosity spikes, watch till the end. Step 5. Apply effects. Tap Effects. If your video quality is low, I recommend 8K effect. Benefits: professional DSLR level visuals, cleaner, sharper video, high retention and engagement. Select the effect and tap Next. Before we dive in, if you want more Reels growth hacks, viral content strategies, and monetization tips, subscribe to PReyoPhonie and turn every video into a viral-ready masterpiece. Step 6. Add stickers, GIFs, and emojis. Tap Stickers. 3 options appear. Stickers: location, time, avatar. GIFs: fun animation. Emojis: visual emphasis. Use them strategically to increase visual engagement. Step 7. Add auto captions. Tap the 3-dot icon, top right. Select Upload transcript auto caption. Benefits: makes your reel accessible worldwide. Increases retention. Professional international look. Add captions for global reach and viral potential. Step 8. Add professional title and description. Write an attractive title that hooks viewers. Tip: use tools like ChatGPT or Gemini to craft high CTR titles and descriptions. Include main keyword, trending hashtags, clear, concise CTA, example hashtags, Facebook Reels, trending audio, 8K effect, viral Reels, Reels hack, social media growth, creator tips. Step 9. Share your reel. Finally, tap Share Now. Boom. Your reel is live with pro-level editing, trending audio, 8K effects, stickers, auto captions, and viral-ready title and description. Watch it gain views and engagement in minutes. Pro creator tips. Place hooks and text in first 2 to 3 seconds. Sync stickers, GIFs with video action. Use short captions for retention. Post consistently. Algorithm favors activity. Test trending audio. Plus effects. Combo weekly. Now you know how to edit Reels like a professional. Add trending audio. Use 8K effects, stickers, GIFs, and emojis. Add auto captions and viral titles. Remember, good content attracts. Professional editing keeps viewers engaged and coming back. If this tutorial helped you, like, share, subscribe to PReyoPhonie, because here, we don't just post, we create viral-ready Reels every time. See you in the next powerful Tech Plus social media video.